Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
New Cosmic Star.
I see.
And we just changed the name for January, issue. The first issue is just, it's out, coming off the printer today.
It is published every monthly?
Monthly. That's correct. Yes. And we cover the Eastern religions. We did a feature article this month on Bishop James Pike, UFOs, astrology. Dr. Bode, Primrose Bode, from he's with Manly Hall. Are you familiar with Manly Hall?
No.
You don't know Primrose Bode?
No.
He's from India.
Farsi.
Farsi? Yes. There's an article for us next month. But I spoke to Dan and I told him that one of the things I would like to ask you, and I think that an awful lot of our readers and an awful lot of people in the United States are terribly confused with the many people who claim to be avatars, who come from India to this country, one after the other, and they say...
I can declare they are all nonsense.
That's right. I wanted to, if you could elaborate on that.
I can say furthermore, they are all rascals.
The Maharishi, for example.
He was for rascal number 1, I say, publicly.
Can you explain, give me a little background on that and why? Because
I do not know, but from his behavior, I can understand he is rascal number 1. I do not like to know about him, but what he did. But the wonderful thing is that people in Western countries are supposed to be so advanced. How they are befooled by this rascal?
Well, I think that people believe what they want to believe. They're looking for something.
Yes, but
they
want something very cheap. That is their fault.
Yes.
Now, for our disciples, we don't give anything cheap. Our first condition is character, moral character. You see? So unless one is accepting moral character, we don't initiate, don't allow him in this institution. And this Mahasi was, you do whatever you like. You simply pay me $35 and I give you some mantra. Okay. So people wanted to be cheated and so many cheaters come. They do not wish to undergo some disciplinary action. Anything, they have got money, they think that I shall pay and immediately you get the money.
Instant heaven.
That is it. Just like people are trying to go to the moon planet. I have given my opinion, you have seen, in the Los Angeles Times. This chance is very remote.
Oh?
Yes. Why not? Suppose in your country, you have got some quota for immigration. Within this planet, if somebody comes without your immigration department's order, nobody can enter. How do you expect in that planet where the people are more advanced, they are called demigods, they are living for 10,000 years, how do you expect that you go and you are immediately enter into the moon planet and they are selling tickets, reservation, everything they make a fun of it.
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare